Hey y'all, I'm heading down to Panama City Beach. I love going down there, and today I'm super excited because we're going to be looking at 2 condos that have been reimagined. I've heard really great things about them, so I'm super excited to see. Let's go check them out. Hey, I'm Darby Kilpatrick. I love to help people reimagine spaces in their house. This show is all about turning that house into a home. You're watching the Reimagine series. Got the donuts. By the way, those donuts were delicious. Hey, I rolled the donuts!
Yay, thanks! Welcome to the beach. Come on in.
I'm at the beach. Shoes are definitely coming off. Stace, I'm so excited to be here. You know I love the beach.
I do too, and I cannot wait to show you these 2 condos. But we have one problem.
What?
We can't see the second condo for another 2 days. So that means we're gonna have to find something to do.
I'm sure we can find something to do.
I'm sure we can.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and take a look.
Okay. Stacy, this is beautiful.
Isn't it?
Yes, I love walking into a condo for the first time, seeing how it's designed. Jan totally outdid herself.
She did, and she gets all of the credit. I mean, she had the design inspiration, and Turner's just really orchestrated everything else. I mean, look at how she even paid attention to the smallest details, like the arrangement of these seashells. I mean, she was really bringing the outdoor elements in.
The furnishings really created that light, bright, and airy feel.
Oh, and I wanted to show you this. This is the piece that started it all.
I love this, and I love this gray. It is the perfect neutral. And you know, using gray at the beach is great because of those driftwood tones, and I love how she has used it all over this room.
And throughout the house. Come on, let's go see another room.
Okay. Oh, Stacy, I love all these pillows.
Aren't they great?
Yes, I love having a lot of pillows on my bed, and it drives my husband absolutely crazy.
But they look so good.
I know they make this bed. It's gorgeous. This gray metal is so unique. I really loved the pillows, and Stacy did too. We both thought they were so fun.
And these panels, I mean, how much more beachy and airy could that look? And they really, really just complete the bed.
They do, and you know what? This is honestly my favorite dovetail chest.
I know, look at this gorgeous texture.
It's perfect. It's perfect for the beach. Has that weathered look. It's pretty dreamy.
It is, you and your descriptive words.
Yes, and you know it's really cool too because this serves as a TV console and extra storage.
That's so true.
Yeah. Wait,
What?
how did all this furniture get here? We don't have a Turner's in Panama City.
Actually, it's a really cool story, but I want to show you these other 2 rooms first. Come on, let's go.
Okay. Here's that gray again. I love it.
And aren't these 2 pieces from the same Paula Deen collection?
They are, and it's really cool because you can see here how the details on the post mirror the details in that sideboard.
They really do.
Yeah, and something else really cool about this sideboard is that you can show it 2 ways. Closed, like Jan has it, or you can flip it around to where the shelves are open.
Really? I didn't even realize that.
Yes, very cool. You really can have a lot of fun with your furniture and get creative with it. How things come out of the box isn't exactly how they're gonna end up in your space. Like how that console was supposed to face forward, they flipped it around. That is how you reimagine your space.
One of my favorite things in this room is how Jan makes a big statement with just a few accessories.
Yes, and my favorite accessory in here, I think, is her lamp.
That is gorgeous.
Very unique. I love that acrylic base. Bunk beds are so much fun.
They are, and I can't remember the last time I climbed on a bunk bed.
Me either.
But you know, they're so great for kids and for extra house guests.
Like me.
Perfect.
And they're a great way to utilize your space. When most people think of bunk beds, they think of single over single, but they come in all different sizes. These bunk beds are full over full so that you can accommodate more guests.
So this is great, isn't it? Did I save the best for last?
You did. This view is perfection.
Well, I meant the wine and cheese, but it is pretty spectacular.
So tell me the story about how the furniture got here.
Well, it was during hurricane season, and Austin and Fortson, they really didn't want putting the employees in danger to deliver the furniture down here. So believe it or not, they hopped in a delivery truck, brought it all down here themselves.
No, they did not. That is so awesome.
Can you believe it? I mean, the owners of the company traveling all the way down here for a delivery.
I'm really not surprised. They're pretty great.
They are.
Yeah. I can just picture Austin and Fortson putting that bunk bed together.
I know, right?
Yes. It's not very often that you hear about the owners of the company doing something so special. See, Jan did a really fabulous job on this condo.
She did. I mean, what was your favorite thing?
I'm really a neutral girl, and so I loved how she used the neutrals in the home, starting with that credenza and using that gray in the fabrics throughout. What about you?
I love that gray metal bed. It's
Yes.
so unique, and I feel like you could use it with, almost any style.
You could. With this view, I could sit here and relax all day. Let's get out and do something.
Sounds good to me.
Come on. I know we said Jan gets all the credit, but she did want to give a shout out to her good friend Fran at the Albany store for helping her facilitate the entire process. Like I told Stacy, I am a neutral girl. Soft, light tones just calm my mind, and that is exactly what I'm looking for when I'm at the beach. You don't have to always be worried about that light-colored furniture. Take, for example, Jan's sectional. All you have to do is remove the slipcover and take it to the dry cleaner. That makes it perfect for everyday living or a vacation home. Neutrals are also an awesome base to start with because you can find an accent chair and choose your fabric to complement that neutral. That's what Jan did. She picked out that fabric and got it custom ordered. We have hundreds of fabrics that you can choose from at Turner's. You're sure to find something that you love. Well, I guess I gotta find something to do. All right, guys, I gotta get back to Albany. I can't stay till Saturday, but don't worry. The guys are gonna stay back and film the second condo. Then Stacy, Suzanne, and I are gonna get together and talk all about it. I know Stacy is bringing me the walkthrough to see, but I'm really interested in the inspiration behind it, so I reached out to Stephanie to get the inside scoop. All right, Stephanie, you gotta give me the lowdown. They just texted me and they are on the way. I need some ammunition before I go into this meeting.
So I want to do something completely different than what's in my house. I have lots of neutrals, but I wanted to do more color in the beach house and do kind of a nautical theme.
Does that mean anchors and lighthouses?
So I have these fabulous Lucite ghost chairs. They're clear, you can see through them, they don't obstruct your view, and they're very easy to clean. But I didn't want a modern feel in the condo, so Suzanne helped me find the perfect table.
Can't wait to see it.
So I'm super excited today. We're here to meet Darby and talk about Stephanie's condo.
I know, and it's just that having it on the bay, I mean, it's so gorgeous. And I know Darby's more of a neutral girl, so I'm just interested to see how she's going to feel about this one.
I hope she loves it.
I think she's going to love it.
All right, they're probably about to walk in, so I'll call you later.
Okay, sounds great.
Okay. I'm really curious to see how this modern Lucite is going to work with a nautical theme. I'm either going to absolutely love it or completely hate it.
Hey, Darby.
Hey, y'all.
Hey!
What's going on?
How are you?
Good. Ordered y'all some wine.
Great, thanks.
You're welcome. All right, y'all, I'm so excited to see this condo. I so hate I had to leave early, but I'm so glad y'all were able to stick around and get that footage for me.
Well, you know you left me with those crazy guys, but we got it done, and I think you're going to love it.
Good.
Here you go.
All right, I have to admit, this is not the cheesy 90s nautical that came to my mind. This is a super cool, new, modern nautical. Suzanne is a pro, and Stephanie has incredible style, so I should have known it would be awesome. Okay, first thing I noticed was that incredible blue sofa. What made y'all choose that?
It all started from her Pinterest idea. We went straight to Bassett because I gave a big selection in fabrics and styles.
Okay.
And we had fun picking out those fabrics, didn't we?
We did.
I bet y'all did. Now, did y'all also pick the fabric on the chair next to the sofa? I love the movement in it.
Yes, we did. We thought would complement the sofa and with the view from outside.
Absolutely. And then the chairs by the window, speaking of the view, those chairs were perfect because they don't obstruct the view outside.
Exactly.
Those are gorgeous chairs. When they came on the showroom floor, I love them, and I couldn't wait for someone to get them, and I just thought it was the perfect place, in that condo,
Yes.
because once you walk in, you just see that gorgeous view.
Yes.
And they're just so unique, just something that you just wouldn't find anywhere.
Perfect for that spot.
Yes, it was.
And then that coffee table just ties it all in together.
Yes.
So cool and natural, that natural wood. Very cool.
And I think that's really kind of what she was going
That's
for.
exactly
is,
what she was looking for.
mixing the dark and wood tones together.
Right.
So I think that y'all did a great job with that.
Now, as far as accessories go, I'm sure that was kind of the final touch. Love the oyster balls. They're my favorite.
Those
Look
are fun.
so good.
Everybody's
Those are
favorite.
so fun.
Everybody's favorite. I have 2 in my house. Love them. I want to talk about this table. When I heard that y'all had chosen to put the Lucite chairs with this wood table, I was intrigued. Wasn't really sure how it was going to look.
Wait. How did you know that we were going to do that?
I mean, I was unsure of how it was going to look, and it looks so good together. The warmth and that wood on the table really kind of counteract the modern Lucite chairs, and it works. It looks so good.
We decided to pick the driftwood table because it kind of worked with the Lucite chairs, and doing something different wasn't quite gone with the look that she was wanting to achieve.
Right, like a lacquer table.
Exactly.
Would have thrown
Yeah,
the whole
just-
room off. That is attention to detail. We had a great time in Panama City Beach. The first condo that we got to visit was on the beach. Jan designed it with her neutrals. The second condo was on the bay with a more Cape Cod nautical type feel. 2 very different designs. This shows you that when it comes to reimagining your beach vacation home, that it doesn't have to be pastels and seashells. We'll see you next time on the Reimagine series. Be sure to like Turner's Fine Furniture on Facebook and keep up with the Reimagine series.